Hello, my name is Alvaro from Ecuador. Today I will be presenting my final project, Assistant. Assistant, which doesn't have a name yet, can perform several tasks. Its operation is simple as it works through commands.
The value of pi symbol, is approximately 3.14159. It's an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation goes on forever without repeating. I'm a large language model, trained by Google. I'm here to help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering your questions and providing information to helping you brainstorm ideas, and even generating creative text formats like poems, code,